winds are picking up. Oh, it's fine. Look at the clouds behind you, Mom. Oh, look, these ones above us are spinning.
You know what?
What?
Okay, I think it's time to go home then.
Home?
Is Alex home too?
No.
Where's he at? Because we got an awesome view right now.
I know. I don't know where he's at. Alex is driving with his mom somewhere. Okay, I'm rolling my window up. I'm getting water in my car. Yeah, these clouds right above us are spinning. You see that? Clouds are right above us now, Mom. Well, if you look really close, you can actually see them. Wow. Look at that. Now above us. What?
These clouds are going this way, and those clouds are going that way.
If you look at that wall, they're actually kind of like doing a circular motion. The one straight south.
Yeah?
They're like, if you look at them, Mom, look at me for a second. They're going like this over the up and over the wall.
You can feel the wind.
I know, look at that. It's starting to rain, Mom.
I know, we're getting wet.
What, you don't even care? You just want that perfect shot. Actually, these aren't. This isn't even gonna hit us. Whoa! Oh!
Damn it! I just missed that one.
I missed that. That was a huge lightning bolt.
Okay, you know what? I
was
think
crazy.
we should go home. Or go somewhere
Hold
else.
this and keep videotaping.
No,
I
no.
guess.
I don't want to be talking.
So?
It's gay.
Well, I can't drive and hold it. It's illegal.
Yeah.
Just hold it
Seriously,
here for a sec.
let's
Don't be a worrier.
I'm not being a worrier. Whereabouts is Alex going?